Over a century, our global economy has operated on a linear model: take, make, and waste. We extract raw materials, manufacture products, and then discard them at the end of their life. But this approach is no longer sustainable. Resource scarcity, increasing regulations, and environmentally conscious consumers are pushing businesses to rethink their strategies. Waste isn't just an environmental issue, it's a sign of economic inefficiency. The solution: embracing the circular economy. In a circular system, products, components, and materials are kept at their highest value for as long as possible. But making this shift isn't automatic. It requires intentional design and strategic logistics. Let's explore how companies can close the loop and build resilient, profitable supply chains. Reverse logistics is much more than simply running traditional logistics in reverse. Unlike the predictable flow of goods from factory to customer, reverse logistics deals with uncertainty at every turn. Companies face unpredictable returns, products come back in varying conditions, quantities, and at different times. Each returned item must be inspected, sorted, and graded, which is a labor-intensive process. Collection is also fragmented, as items are gathered from countless individual consumers rather than shipped in bulk. To master this complexity, businesses need dedicated strategies: centralized return centers for efficient processing, robust data systems to track returns and reasons, and tiered processing to handle simple returns locally. These steps transform reverse logistics from a cost burden into a strategic advantage. True goal of reverse logistics isn't just managing waste, it's about recovering value. This is where the value recovery hierarchy comes into play. At the top, reselling returned products in as new condition is the most profitable. If that's not possible, products can be refurbished or repaired, then sold at a discount. For more worn items, remanufacturing uses core components to create new products. When repair isn't an option, valuable parts can be harvested for reuse. Finally, recycling breaks products down into raw materials for new manufacturing. By navigating this hierarchy, companies turn reverse logistics into a profit center, opening new revenue streams and supporting sustainability. Foundation of a successful circular supply chain is laid at the design stage. In fact, up to 80% of a product's environmental impact and end-of-life cost is determined before it's even made. Product designers and logistics planners must collaborate to create items that are easy to disassemble, repair, and reuse. Key principles include modular design, standardized components, and clear material labeling. Digital product passports, like QR codes linking to repair guides and material lists, make the process even smoother. When products are designed for circularity, reverse logistics becomes simpler and more cost-effective, and the value recovered increases dramatically. Transitioning to a circular economy isn't just a trend, it's the future of resilient and profitable business. This shift requires leaders who think in systems, not silos. Tomorrow's supply chain professionals will orchestrate complex circular ecosystems, collaborating with designers, marketers, and data scientists. By mastering reverse logistics, monetizing the secondary market, and championing circular design, organizations can do more than just reduce waste. They can build stronger, more sustainable businesses that thrive for decades. The journey to a circular supply chain starts now. Are you ready to lead the way?